Good morning, students. I welcome in the mathematics class. In the previous classes, we have learned about sets. What are the sets? What are the type of sets? The new students, you have missed two class earlier. It is already on YouTube. So if you want, you may see. Today, we shall start some theorems. The first theorem or the first type is state and prove commutative law, associative law and distributive law. See first, for any two sets A and B, A union B is equal to B union A and A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. See, suppose X is the member of A union B. Children, you already know A union B is also a set. So, in this set, X is a member. So, let X belongs to A union B. According to definition of union of two sets, X belongs to either A or B. So we write it X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Just reverse it. We can write in next step X belongs to B or X belongs to A. It means X belongs to B union A. So X belongs to A union B and we get X belongs to B union A. It means A union B is subset of B union A. Now from right side, our right side is B union A. So consider Y is another arbitrary element belongs to B union A. So B union A means Y belongs to B or Y belongs to A. Y belongs to B or Y belongs to A means Y belongs to A or Y belongs to B, just reverse it, and hence Y belongs to A union B. So we conclude that B union A is subset of A union B. So see, in first we proved A union B is subset of B union A, and in right side we proved A union B is B union A is subset of A union B. Hence, from equality of sets, A union B is equals to B union A. So this is first part. You can use also same way in the next two theorem. See this second part. In second part, process remains same. Let X belongs to A intersection B. Come on to definition of A intersection B. X is a member of A intersection B. It means X belongs to A as well as B. So X belongs to A and X belongs to B. You may also write the same thing in the same way. X belongs to B and X belongs to A. So again X belongs to B and X belongs to A. It means X belongs to B intersection A. So children, this symbol is called implies, and you write also in this side. So this is called implies and is implied by. Means if X belongs to B intersection A, then implies X belongs to B, and X belongs to A implies X belongs to A. So here no need to write subset. Direct you write A intersection B is subset of B intersection A and B intersection A is subset of A intersection B. So from equality of set, here you have to write from equality of sets equality of sets A intersection B is equals to B intersection A. So we can prove like this. Now see the next part, that is associative law. Children, the associative law is for three sets. For three sets A, B and C, A union B union C, A union B within bracket union C is equal to A union B union C, again B union C is within bracket. So just change of bracket. And the second part is for their intersection, means A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. See the first part. Let X belongs to A union B union C. First eliminate this union by writing OR. So X belongs to A union B or X belongs to C. Now open this bracket. According to definition of A union B, X belongs to A or X belongs to B or X belongs to C. So eliminate all the brackets. It means X belongs to A or X belongs to B or X belongs to C. In next step, take X belongs to B and X belongs to C into one bracket. So X belongs to A or X belongs to B or X belongs to C within bracket. So what does it mean? X belongs to B or X belongs to C? It means X belongs to B union C. So just write it into next step. Hence X belongs to A or X belongs to B union C. Now eliminate this OR by union. So X belongs to A union B, B union C. See the children, this is written implies and is implied by. So there is no need to write the subset. Here just you write the equality of sets. Means A union B union C is subset of A union B union C, and A union B union C is subset of A union B union C. Hence from equality of sets we have A union B union C is equals to A union B union C. So the process remains same. Just distribute the terms properly. See the second part. X belongs to A intersection B intersection C. First eliminate this bracket, this symbol, that is symbol of intersection. So this implies and is implied by X belongs to A intersection B and X belongs to C. Again this implies and is implied by X belongs to A and X belongs to B and X belongs to C. Now take these two terms, X belongs to B and X belongs to C, in another bracket. So X belongs to A and X belongs to B and X belongs to C. Now work for bracket. X belongs to A and X, from this bracket terms X belongs to B intersection C. Again this implies and is implied by X belongs to A intersection, for this and A intersection B intersection C. And now we write, since you are using implies and is implied by, so now we write from equality of sets, A intersection B intersection C is equals to A intersection B intersection C. That is proof of your result means proof of associative law. Now see the distributive law. So distributive law is again for three sets. A union B intersection C is equals to A union B intersection A union C, and A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Means A union is distributed distributed between B and C, and here A intersection is distributed between B and C. See the first one. Process remains same. Consider any arbitrary element X belongs to A union B intersection C. First eliminate this U, means this union. It means this implies and is implied by X belongs to A or X belongs to B intersection C. Open this intersection symbol. So this implies it is implied by X belongs to A or X belongs to B and X belongs to C. So this X belongs to A or distributed over B and C. Note it. X belongs to A or is distributed over set B and C. See how X belongs to A or X belongs to B, and X belongs to A or X belongs to C. So if X belongs to A or X belongs to B, then this implies and is implied by X belongs to A union B, and similarly X belongs to A or X belongs to C means X belongs to A union C. Now X belongs to A union B and X belongs to A union C. It means X is common element between A union B and A union C. So X belongs to A union B intersection A union C. Thus from equality of sets, A union B intersection C is equals to A union B intersection A union C. Similarly, see the proof of second. A intersection B union C is equals to A intersection B union A intersection C. So let us suppose X is an arbitrary element belongs to A intersection B union C. What does it mean? It means X belongs to A and X belongs to B union C. See this one. This is written as usual. Implies and is implied by. So implies and is implied by X belongs to A and X belongs to B or X belongs to C. So now distribute X belongs to A and this term over B and C. So X belongs to A and X belongs to B, or X belongs to A and X belongs to C. From this bracket, X belongs to A and X belongs to B means X belongs to A intersection B or X belongs to A intersection C. So children, we have seen that either X belongs to A intersection B or X belongs to A intersection C. Not in both, means either A intersection B or A intersection C. So that or means union X belongs to A intersection B, union X belongs to A intersection C. Again it is written as implies, it is implied by. So it means from the equality of sets A intersection B union C is equals to A intersection B union A intersection C. So children, now come to a very important part of the set theory or of the sets, that is De Morgan's law. State and prove De Morgan's law. First see statement. For any two sets A and B, A union B complement is A complement intersection B complement. See here it is union, it is intersection, and the second one A intersection B complement is A complement union B complement. Just recall the definition of union. What is definition? If the definition was, if X belongs to A, means X does not belongs to its complement. I have already given definition yesterday. Or if X belongs to A complement, means X does not belongs to A. So if X or X belongs to A complement, means X does not belongs to A. This is the definition of complement of sets. So here we will use the same thing. First steps remain same. Just apply the meaning of complement. So let X belongs to A union B complement. Hence, according to definition of complement, X does not belongs to A union B. It means X does not belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. X neither belongs to A nor belongs to B, means neither X is a member of A nor X is a member of B. So we write X does not belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. Now see, X does not belongs to A means X belongs to where? Complement of A. So X does not belongs to A means X belongs to complement of A. Similarly, X does not belongs to B means X belongs to complement of B. So X belongs to A complement and X belongs to B complement. Means X belongs to A complement intersection B complement. So what we get? A union B complement is subset of A complement intersection B complement and is implied by means A complement intersection B complement is subset of A union B complement, and hence from equality of sets A union B complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement. Now see another part, means the second one. This is our second one. A intersection B complement is A complement union B complement. Use the same process. Let X belongs to A intersection B complement. X belongs to A intersection B complement means X does not belongs to A intersection B. So what we get? X does not belongs to A intersection B means X is not common element of A and B. So either X does not belongs to A or X does not belongs to B, right? A intersection B means common element. X is not the common element of A and B. It means either X does not belongs to A or X does not belongs to B. X belongs to any of them. So X does not belongs to A means X belongs to complement of A or X belongs to complement of B. Hence X belongs to their union, that is A complement union B complement. Thus, from equality of sets, we have A intersection B complement is A complement union B complement. So now children, we are in position to resume, to start some problems. See the first one. Prove that A minus B is equal to A intersection B complement for two sets A and B. For two sets A and B. So this is question. A minus B is A intersection B complement. So first suppose X belongs to A minus B. Come on to definition of difference of two sets. A minus B is a set whose members are in A, not in B. These all definitions we given you yesterday. I will explain it properly. So according to definition of difference of two sets, X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. This implies X belongs to A, B same. X does not belongs to B means X belongs to where? That is complement of B, means X belongs to complement of B, and this implies X belongs to A intersection B complement. Here we follow the first one. Therefore, A minus B is subset of A intersection B complement. Now come from right side. Let X belongs to A intersection B complement. Then X belongs to A and X belongs to B complement. Since X belongs to A intersection B means X is common element of A and B. Here see, X belongs to complement of B. It means X does not belongs to B. Now come from definition of difference of two sets. X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. It means X belongs to A minus B. So again from definition, A intersection B complement is subset of A minus B. So from inequality, or you can say write directly because they are not equations. So you can say from 1 and 2, A minus B is equals to A intersection B complement. So children, in next class tomorrow we shall discuss some more problems. Thank you.